Are you sick of spring feeling like winter even though we're so close to spring? Well, I got a little quick soup to pick you up from that seasonal food. This is Pebbles, host the chaos. See you soon. You will need some spinach, chickpeas, potatoes. I have garlic, onions, and green onions, carrot if you have it, celery too. I have some sausage, tomatoes, chicken Maggi cubes to make the broth, and also a can of tomato soup. And I think I might add some wine. So into this pot we're gonna start up with some olive oil and all of our onions. When it starts heating up the olive oil, you're gonna put all of your little vegetables, aromatics, to cook. Get rid of this little ugly piece of garlic. And at this point, I also like to add the cubed up potatoes, because I like them not to be super soft. I like them to get a little bit of color. I know it's kind of weird, but it's just what I do. You can add them when the broth is cooking. Now, I forgot to say, you're gonna need adobo. And I want some garlic salt out of here. So I'm gonna just season it up with a little bit of adobo. You don't want to have flavorless food. Almost throw away the pot. Make sure you stir a lot. Okay, when the potatoes start sticking, you're gonna add a little bit of butter for flavor. You always need butter. So our onions and our garlic are nice and glossy. This is when we're going to add our tomatoes and sausage too. So here we got our sausage, our Maggi, and we're just going to mix it around and add the tomato. And so I got distracted and I forgot to show you guys. I added the can of tomato soup and 3 more cups of water. I was gonna add some wine, but this one is way too sweet. It's Dominican wine, Cabello Blanco. And I added the chickpeas and the chicken Maggi, some Italian seasoning, and pepper. Now I'm just gonna let that come to a boil and cook for about 15 minutes and check it then for flavor. This soup turned out so good. The sausage with the onions, the cubed up potatoes, got garbanzo beans, some cut up tomato for extra little bits in there, and the spinach. And look at this broth. Water, the can of the tomato soup, and Maggi. I also added a little bit of adobo, and I wanted the color to be deeper, so I added a couple of dashes of soy sauce, Italian seasoning, and we are through. Oh yeah, baby. For the taste. Also, wash your vegetables, even if it says triple wash, because E. coli and Salmonella do not care about that crap. If you guys have any questions about this recipe, comment below with your questions or suggestions for videos or anything else that you want to learn how to cook, or any life-size questions for us. But this has been Pebbles, host the chaos. Bye. I gotta eat.